we will present a game that we have made with the name of clean water and sanitation. Before we will introduce our group first one, Irfan, MPM 190710374, and me, Eki Hermanto, BPM 19071031391. Next, cleaning time. The name of the game that we make is cleaning time. So, later the cleaning time game is a simulation game where in a game the character play is a mermaid. This mermaid will travel in Indonesia, Sumatera, Java, Kalimantan, Sulawesi, Nusa Tenggara Island, Maluku Island, and Papua, which will clean up garbage in several places on land and in water. So, the essence of this game is when we are going to play it, we will be told to go around Indonesia while cleaning up trash on land and in water. Next, Avatar. This is the first fact that will occur when we will play this game. Here, there is a start menu to start the game. Then, there is also a sub menu where this menu function to select character costume or others. There is also a friends menu where we can play with friends and out for the activity. There is also a picture of energy below. To be able to travel requires energy. If the energy has been reduced, the energy will be replaced for 5 minutes for one energy and at least 5 hours for the energy to be full charged. Next, map. So, when we select the start menu, we will go to this map menu. Here, we can choose where to start from. If there is a padlock red box menu, it means that we cannot visit the island unless we have token. And there is also a red circle menu, which means that on the island there is a factory waste that we must clean. Next, in the land, in the water. Well, here is a picture where when we have played the game, when we are on land and water. Here, if we manage to collect one trash, the character will get 1 point, which is used for by a place that is not yet open, still located, by a boat, by a pet, and by a character costume. Next, polluted factory waste. This mermaid also takes finding water contaminated by factory waste in water areas. In fact, if factory waste is small, the character can see the effects caused by factory waste on the aquatic ecosystem. Character can also use potion to clean factory waste and consume as much as 20 energy for one time cleaning factory waste. Next, clean the factory waste. In cleaning up factory waste, character must not be in the water, so as not to be polluted by factory waste. If the character is in water when they want to clean the factory waste, the character's life will be reduced, and if the life runs out, the player points will be reduced by 150, and the character will return to clean water portal. Therefore, in order to clean up the factory waste, the character had to board a ship to deliver potions from the land. Ships can be spawned by the ship button on the screen. And if the energy is not sufficient, it must be replaced. The energy will recharge for 5 minutes for one energy and at least 5 hours for energy to be fully charged. Next.
So, shop. Here's a shop view when you click the shop button at the main course. As you can see here, there's a lot of clothes, material, and a lot of pets that you can buy your points that you have collected from playing this game. You can also from shop you can also get a free food, free pet food for this day. You can also buy a cap, glasses, shoes, and many things. So they will make your character perfect. Traveling with pet. So you can also travel on your map with your pet. Your pet will have character collecting feature bits. So your pet has every pet has its own ability. For example, this pet will increase your character movement on the land. And there are two types of pet. There is pet on the land and pets in the water. Uh, so you cannot use pets on the land and pets in the water at the same time. For example, when your character is using a pet on the land, you can use a pet in the water. And when you're using a pet in the water, you can use a pet on the land. Your pet also has its own energy too. So every pet has its own energy. Your pet will getting tired for a day, and maybe another pet will getting tired for twice a day. Washing hands. So you must wash your hands first before feeding the pet. And why did you must wash your hands first before feeding your pet? So here's why. Your pet will easily getting sick when you're not washing your hands and give them their food. So when your pet getting sick, you can't invite them to travel to your map with your pet, and your pet can help you to collect the dirt bits. And when your pet getting sick, you must buy a medicine that from a shop that is cost 100 points to buy the medicine. After that, your pet will getting rest for at least a day, and you can invite your pet to travel your map as usual. And how to clean your hands, your character hands. How to clean the players only they click hands on their screen, and this hue will appear on player screen. Players just need to click the stop here, and the character will automatically wash their hands. After that, you can feed your pet as well, so your pet not getting sick. Multiplayer. You can also play this game with your friends. You can play online with your friends. You can chat with Discorder in the game. You can also help collect trash on other friends' map. So you can help collect trash on other friends' map, but you can't help clean the water on your friend's map when it's polluted by factory waste. So it must be cleaned by its owner. And also, this game you can also play with a stranger. There is ask for approving map to its owner. And this is a friends view when you click a friends button on the main course. Target market. Target market for this game is elementary school children or more. The purpose of this game is given to elementary school children so that knowledge to maintain clean lines can be played since they were young. The target market is expected to understand the purpose of the game and be entertained. So, with this game, it is hoped that it can make Indonesians aware of the importance of maintaining clean lines. In the game, a condition where water is polluted by factory waste and garbage that affect the ecosystem is displayed. With players who see the game simulation of Ultimate, it is hoped that they will be aware and make each other aware of the importance of maintaining clean lines. This game also provides a way to maintain health in importance of maintaining clean lines. Uh, in caring for pets by taking care of pets, animals in the game can get sick if they are fed without washing their hands first. For that, it is recommended to wash your hands first. It is the same with the real world that is faced. Because of the huge amount of waste that pollute the environment from land to water, there are often problems such as lack of water. It will seem impossible to clean up all the trash that is already there on both land and water. Therefore, this game teaches you to maintain clean lines so that there are no more unwanted problems such as clean lack of clean water. Okay, that's all about our presentation. Thank you for your attention.